All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. And with today's video, I'm gonna be doing another case review for my iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro. Now this is from the case company Casekoo, if I'm saying it right. They were kind enough to send me a slew of cases for my unbiased opinion and review. This is the Defender series case that they sent out to me. So this case is gonna run you about 23 bucks if you go to their website, which is just casekoo.com. Or you can follow my affiliate link down in the description if you want to help support my channel. On Amazon, I couldn't find this particular version, which I'll show you in a sec. This is the black border, but all I could find was the blue and the red bordered case. So if you do happen to find it on Amazon, let me know. But this is the black version. It's like I said, 23 bucks roughly on their website. So as far as the unboxing experience goes, you have a very generic black box with some different shades of black and gray, case, art of protection here, Casekoo branding. On the side, you got their Casekoo logo. On this side, the same. And on the back, just a kind of a breakdown a little bit. It says they offer artful protection, better, simpler, and more flexible, yada, yada, yada. But hey, it's a good case. So let's go ahead and open it up here. So as far as getting it unboxed, it comes like in this packaging here, and then you literally just slide the case out. And like I said, this is the Defender series, so it's a black TPU bumper with a polycarbonate back here. So you do get that hard, nice back with this really nice TPU, smooth, nice grippy material. As far as the inside of the actual case goes, you do have some reinforced bumpers here for drop protection. This case is military standard drop protection. So when they do those testings, I think it's around like 6.6 feet at 3,500 times or something like that. And it still protects the phone. So you're getting some nice protection with this case, even though it is a very, very slim design. So let's go ahead and grab my phone here. Now, obviously I have the 12 with a black carbon fiber skin. So I'm a big fan of cases like this that get to show off my actual design of my phone, if it's a different color skin or whatever. And that does not disappoint at all with this case. So right off the bat, it looks very good looking at it straight on there. So with that black carbon fiber skin, looks super slick, especially with the black bumpers here. Now, one thing that they did, which I really like, is this little design here where it's kind of just a slit between the camera bump. So it gives you a little bit more protection there, but you got the raised lips there. You do see a little bit of a glossier material there as well when the light hits it, but it's definitely gonna protect those lenses from scratches when you do place it back down. So let's go ahead and do the shake test here. So a little shake right here in this bottom corner, but that's it. So not much shaking at all. You do have a 0.1 inch of a raised back right here. So that's gonna also help protect the back of your phone when you do put it back down. So that's gonna probably explain a little bit of the shake as well. But like I said, it is 0.1 inches raised on the back there. Now, as far as the phone's sides, as you can see here, you have the Casekoo branding here at the bottom. And then you do have the same kind of matte finish material throughout the whole entire part of it. Do have some little gloss inserts here to kind of just give it a little bit of different color pop, or as far as shades of black pop, I should say. As far as the power button goes, you do have the power button logo there with the actual square cut out there with that gloss, so you can kind of see, or that rectangular shape there. It is a flat button. It's got a little bit of a raised part here. So when you're looking for it, you can feel it, but it is a pretty slim button. Going down to the bottom, you do have precise cutouts for your lightning port and your speaker grills. Then going to the side here, as you can see, you have a lanyard cutout there if you like to use a lanyard, and the same slim type of button design with the up and down button. So you got the plus and minus if you forgot which one was which. You do have a cutout here for your alert slider. So all in all, looks very good, but once again, it's very flat, but you can still feel it. So it's just a raised, just a tiny hair, but definitely enough to be able to feel it. And then as you can see, kind of going throughout, you kind of have this design here with these bumpers, so you can kind of feel like it's actually doing something with that bumper protection on the corners here. So definitely looks pretty good. I like it so far. Now, grabbing it, touching it, feeling it, all that, when you are holding it, you can feel that raised back. So it does kind of actually help, because the way I hold my phone, I might actually rest my finger right there. And I do have just that little bit of a raised lip there to be able to put my finger against. So I don't hate it. So I actually don't mind that at all. Now, as far as the front of the phone goes, you do have some raised lips that go around it. So it says it's 1.2 millimeters as far as raised bezels go, according to their description. So you are going to get that screen protection a little bit if you do place it face down on any surface. And as far as the shake test goes, there's actually no shake at all with the front of the screen being flattened out there. So definitely looks pretty good. Tempered glass friendly. So yeah, so now let's go ahead and do a couple of tests. So let's do the power button first and see how clicky it is. And volume up and down. All right, so passes the clicky button test, no problem. Now, ease of access with this alert slider. Very accessible, very, very easy to use. And last but not least, let's go ahead and do the Magsafe compatibility. So Magsafe compatible, no issues at all there. So definitely finds that Magsafe sweet spot, sticks on. Is it super strong? Actually, yeah. I mean, I had to shake it pretty hard to get it to fall off, but it does find it pretty easily. And that's to be expected with it being such a slim profile and clear case. But there you have it, guys. There is the Casekoo Defender case. So if you're looking for something that's super slim, looks pretty dang good in my opinion, and also at the same time isn't going to break the bank, this is definitely a case I would recommend, because at first, I've never owned a Casekoo case, so I didn't know what to expect going into this, but I am happy to report that I actually like it. So looks good. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. Casekoo Defender. Hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, I'd appreciate a sub, and ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe out there, and we will see you on the next one.